Hey y'all, I am in Walgreens and they are starting to clearance out some of their detergents and dishwashing liquids like this Apple Dawn 629. I'm gonna try to wait for them to drop some more in prices. Right now 629 on the Gain beads. We have $4.99 for the All Snuggle 5. Moving on to the All 4.99. Then this $9.99 for this Big Tide Simply. I'll probably go ahead and snatch that one up, but it's Purex 6.29. Then we had something right here was the Gain Flings. As you can see, they are wiped out, gone. What else do they have? Let's see. The Gain dishwashing liquid for $3.99. They had some Finish dishwashing pods $11.99, and I got those in my best cart. It's these, and you buy one get one 50%. So I'm gonna get that one for 50% off. And hold on, they got some Cascade for $5.99. Then they got the Walgreens brand $6.99 on those as well, which isn't too bad. And let's see what else they got. They got the Swiffer mop solution $4.99, and it was 8. And then on this Airwick $12.49 for that one. I will wait on that for that to drop down in price as well. So y'all be on the lookout at your local Walgreens for price drop in y'all laundry aisle. And yeah, oh hold on y'all, they got this too. $3.79 for the sensitive arm and hammer, and $6.29 for this bounce spray. It's still kind of high because the regular price was like $7.29. So some of this stuff, like I said, y'all, I'm gonna wait to see if they drop the price anymore. And I wish somebody come on and come. But okay, I'm out, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm in another Walgreens on Operation Clearance Hunt, and we got the Dime Power Wash for $4.99. Still Cascade $5.99. Then they got this for $10. And down at the bottom, they got a couple of items on clearance as well. Then we got the Palmolive in here for $2.49 and $2.99. It looks like OxyClean 9, and then the OxyClean spray 4. Then they got the Big All for $10.99. Up here we have the Downy Light $11.99. $6.29 the Game Fireworks, which they are gone. Dryer sheets $2.49. We got this Arm and Hammer for $9.29. Perseals on clearance, both of them. Then we got the Walgreens brand. And like I said, y'all, different stores have different prices. And it's funny that this is $9.99 because I think that's the price on them this week, and it's a $2 off. So I might grab them. I don't know. Then we got the Oxy $15.99, and this Odor and Oxy $12.99. One's 65 loads, one is 52 loads. And that's the only thing that I'm seeing on clearance in this store, y'all. So I'm gonna try to figure out what I want to pick up. So let me see what I want to get, and then I will get back with y'all when I get home on some of these prices and savings. Now I made it to the food aisle, and I'm seeing these chunky chips ahoy, $4.99. Then they got these crackers for $4.49. And let's see what else. A couple of the little zero sugar, $3.99. Some Starburst, $2.99. Then they got some of their brand gummy bananas for $1.49. And as you can see, they got a couple little orange stickers throughout the snack aisle. And even on some of the chocolates, they marked down. And you know, Walgreens takes EBT, so yeah, you could get a couple of snacks. That's only if your state allows it, because I know some states cut that out, getting sweet stuff on EBT. But yeah, y'all, they do have some snacks, you know, on sale. In case you have a sweet tooth and want to get some snacks, check out the snack aisle at your local Walgreens. Now, y'all, I probably head to one more for the night, and then I think I am through with the clearance at Walgreens. But yeah, y'all, check out your local Walgreens. Okay, y'all, now that y'all seen all the clearance stuff at Walgreens, here is a transaction that I did while I was at Walgreens, starting off with the Olay body wash. Well, first off, I was doing a deal, spend 30, get $7 Walgreens cash back, since we do have that coupon in the app. So I might as well get some Walgreens cash back and use some of their cash on, you know, some future purchases that I want to make at Walgreens. But anyway, this Olay, I picked up 3 of those. They were $8 each, so 3 of them is $24. We have a 7 off 3 digital coupon, making them 17. Get a $5 register reward back, making all 3 of these $12 are $4 each. And here is the $5 register reward that I got back. Then I picked up the Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. I did want to get the ones for $5.99, but they were nowhere in sight. It was only, matter of fact, 3 left. 2 of these, and then another one in a pack that was $6.99. So I picked up 2 of these. They were $13.98. We have 4 off 2 digital coupon, making these $9.98. Pay that, get you back a $7 register reward, making these $2.98 are $1.49 each. Then I went with the Gain, and the one on the left was on clearance, but I was kind of confused because they are on the $11.99 Gain products right now are on sale this week for $9.99. And each one of these has a $2 off digital. And if you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward back. But the one that was supposed to be on clearance, which was the Gain Flings, it was on clearance for $9.99. So I was just like, just go ahead and give it to me so I can do this deal. But both of these was $9.99. Totaling $19.98. We had $4 coming off, 2 off the liquid, 2 off the flings, making the total $15.98. Pay that, get back a $5 register reward, which is right here, making both of these $10.98 are $5.49 each, which isn't bad. Then I picked up the Hydro Silk razor. It was $6.99. We have $3 coming off, making it $3.99. Then I picked up these travel size, and it's the 30 count Oral-B floss picks. They were $1.79. We have $1 digital coming off, making these just 79 cents. And I picked up the travel size Crest Pro Health mouthwash. It is $2.99. We have $1 off, making it $1.99. So y'all will be surprised that sometimes travel size products has coupons that attach. Only thing you have to do is pick up the item that you are inquiring about, scan it in your app, and if a coupon pops up, then you are good to go. But yeah, some of travel size items comes with coupons, and I know Dollar General usually has travel size products that comes with coupons, and you can use these as filler items, or like if you travel all the time, get these for a little or nothing, because some of these travel size products are expensive, y'all. I seen some Eucerin lotion, and they had it on clearance for like $5.99 travel size bottle, and the original price was like $6.99 or something. But I was like, no, I would never pay $6 for no travel size product. Either it's gonna be almost free or free. But this is the items that I picked up at Walgreens. So the total was $49.73. So I made it over my $30 mark. And I paid that out of pocket, and I got back $17 in register rewards. I got back 5 for the Olay, 7 for the Neutrogena, and 5 for the Gain. And I got back $7.75 Walgreens cash, making the final cost for all of these items $24.98, making each item $2.77. Well, y'all, I am going to be getting ready to do my 5 off of 25 for Saturday, y'all. Getting ready for that. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all are able to get out and to go to Walgreens and see what they have on clearance at your local store. Y'all, I cannot talk for nothing. I'm getting tongue-tied and everything. It's late. I'm tired. I done cooked and ate and trying to put out this video for y'all so y'all can see what deal I did, and wanted to show y'all the clearance items at Walgreens. But like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.